Okay. I don't have my lipstick on.
Oh my God.
Whew, that was a close one. Hey guys, Jessie here from Tonkadale, and today we're decorating a fresh wreath. What I have before me is a 24-inch Fraser Fir Wreath. I'm just going to take a minute to fluff it up, get loose, you know, roll the shoulders, roll the neck. All right, wreathy wreath, you're looking good. First thing I want to talk about when I'm decorating a wreath is clumping. So creating your clumps ahead of time is really helpful for the greens or decorations all the way around the wreath. Today, our ingredients are this really pretty magnolia, which is a great backdrop for a winter neutral setting. This will last long into the new year. We're going to use the Oregonia or the variegated boxwood. We'll just add some brightness to the wreath. And then I do have a permanent berry here. This is the white tallow berry that will mix really nice there. In a protected area outdoors, I do think I can use these glass ornament balls. So we'll see, we may attach those, we may not. I also have some of our world famous cone dumbbells. And you know how I like my cones. And ribbon, of course, will be our final destination. Okay. Let's talk about our tools. Wire cutters is going to be great for snipping anything with a wired stem. We have a scissor for our ribbon and a hand pruner to trim any of the things that were once living and are now not, so the fresh items. We have this really cool custom-made wreath hanger, which we will affix at the very end when we decide where our top is. We don't have to commit right now. And then some zip ties. We're going to use zip ties, so that way at the end of the season you can just clip them off, save any of the permanent stems for the following year, and then compost the rest. Prepare to make the clumps. I'm just going to chop up our magnolia into some nice sections. If you have extra magnolia, it looks really pretty, just kind of tucked down the table if you have a centerpiece or on the mantle. Next, let's get our Oregonia all fluffed and ready to go. La 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 la. All right, let's get our tallow berries ready to go. Can wake them up. We just gently bend each stem. When we look at our wreath, we can kind of estimate how many clumps we'll need. We're going to want to leave space for a generous bow, of course, and the bow could be on the top, it could be on the bottom, so it doesn't really matter where we leave the space. Let's say this is our designated bow area. We'll go with the grain of the wreath, so the greens are kind of all flowing this way. You can probably do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 clumps. Let's clumpify. Insider trick, you can use a little leaf shine. You all know this is one of my favorite products. I keep it in my holster. We want it to look dimensional, so kind of like a little pom-pom. We'll take our baby zip tie and kind of get our clump attached. You can use more than one if you like. If you need that extra stability, you can use 2. This is something you can send your sig of to do. If you want to help me get the house decorated for Christmas, just go buy the zip ties. Look at how cute that is. Let's see how it fits on our wreath. Maybe I'm not actually sniffing glue, maybe it's just the leaf shine. Thank you, YouTubers. Don't make me turn off the comments. Next up is to affix the clumps to our wreath. All right, we have our bigger zip ties, and now we're going to attach our clumps to the wreath. Hide that stem, tuck it in so it looks like it's elegantly flowing. All right, we've decided to go with this really pretty gray ribbon. We want to cut a length of ribbon to affix our bow to the wreath. That looks good. And then we'll decide how long we want our tails to be. Pinch and loop and pinch and loop. And I like that knotted look. It's so cute. I'm going to shorten these two up a bit by I'm going to knot them. And roll the ends. We could stop here. This is very cute, easy, simple, done. We could add these shiny balls. We also have the option to add pine cones. I don't think I'm going to do the pine cones because I think that will be too busy, but you can use pine cones, and I want to show you how. Again, with the leaf shine. Looks better, right? Those cones perked up. So when you put them on 2 wires and attach them together, you can just go around the back of your wreath, bring it up top, and twist them into place. I don't know, they're kind of cute, you guys. We're gonna do the bells, and so I'm going to use my last zip tie to hook them into place. So this is really cool. All the wreaths that we make here have this on them. And it's really nice, it just clicks into the wreath frame. Like this. Thanks for watching, we'll see you at Tonkadale.
Nice.